Greetings, we're looking at A-level chemistry. I teach for OCR, but it doesn't matter what exam board you're using, the content is pretty much similar. Just going to go through what you need to know from the specification for Module 2, so let's get going. First of all, Module 2 is all about foundations in chemistry. You will learn about atomic structure, quantitative chemistry, formula, equations, amount of substances in the mole, reactions of acids, oxidation numbers and redox reactions, bonding and structure. These are all fundamentals in chemistry. That's why it says the foundations in chemistry. You've got to know this stuff inside out, upside down. So make sure you do. Here we go. Hopefully this will help. So first of all, we're looking at atoms and reactions. What's an atom? Well, it's made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. How can they be different? Well, atoms that have got the same number of protons but a different number of neutrons are called isotopes. They've got a different isotopic mass. Did you see that little lad in background there? That's my son. I don't know what he's doing, but we'll say hi to him anyway. You right, Joel? Yeah. Good. What do you want? I'm gonna YouTube live. Don't worry, no one's watching, but they might do on the recap. So that's a nice dressing gown there. And she'll be proud. What are you up to? What did you want? Can't remember. Are you gonna be coming out and pick the little lad up?
Yeah, I will do.
Fantastic. Right, we might do a shot first. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Super. Okay. There you go. Enjoy your Rocket League. There you go. Great. Yeah, so there are isotopes have a different mass because of a different neutron number. Because they've got the same number of protons and electrons, they react in a similar way. You've got to be able to explain ions. What's an ion? It's an atom that's either gained or lost electrons. Remember, metal atoms lose electrons to form positive ions, and non-metal atoms gain electrons to form negative ions. Make sure you know that stuff. Then we're on to our definitions. What is a relative mass? The word relative means compared to something else. So the relative mass, or the relative isotopic mass, is the mass of an atom, of an element, compared to 1/12 of an atom of carbon-12. That's how I remember it, 1/12 of an atom of carbon-12. That is the isotopic mass. When we look at the relative atomic mass, we're looking for the average mean, the weighted mean average of all the isotopes added together.